Hi guys, welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we are working on a 2007 to 13 Chevy Silverado, and we will be switching out your OEM headlights with these new projector headlights that come with CFL, halo, and LED. So let's get started and pop the hood. Alright guys, so first we're going to remove the radiator shroud, and it's secured by 8 plastic push pins, and you can remove them either using a panel popper or a small flathead screwdriver. Next we're going to remove the grille. It's secured by 4 10mm bolts across the top, and after you remove the bolts, there's 6 clips behind the grille. There's 1 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 1 here. You're just going to get a plier, and you're going to squeeze it, and you're going to be able to pop off the grille. So behind the grille is secured by these clips here. There's 6 of them. So with your plier, you just want to pinch it so that you can pop it off. And after you do that, you can just remove the grille. Alright guys, so to get to the bottom bolt of the headlight, we need to remove this 10mm and this 7mm. So now we're going to peel back this wheel well. So here's your 10mm bolt. So what you want to do is just loosen the bolt. You don't have to remove it. Now from here, to remove the headlight, we need to remove these 2 10mm bolts. And we're going to be using our 10mm socket with an 8-inch extension. So from here, to remove this headlight, we're going to pull it forward a little bit. And then right here, we're going to press it down. And from here, we're just going to disconnect the main headlight harness. Press down on the tab. Okay, so from here, we need to transfer over this wire harness onto your Spyder headlight. With the T15, unscrew this screw. Okay, now put your 2 signal light bulbs into the headlight housing. Connect your high beam. Connect your low beam. So after you connected your wire harness to your headlight assembly, we're going to be tapping the halo and the LED. So what you're going to need is T-taps. We have 2 different kinds. We have the male and the female that you connect together, or we have these T-taps right here that you can just merge the wires together. So go ahead and connect all your negative wires together. You should have 2 for your halo and 1 for your LED. Now connect your positive wires. You should have 2 red ones and 1 white one. So we already pre-tapped the main harness. So you want to make sure you tap the parking light. Now that we finally finished transferring over the wire harness to the new headlight assembly, you can now connect the wire harness. And there's a clip here that you can attach to the headlight. Now when seating the headlight in, you want to make sure this bottom bracket is lined up with the screw, and these 2 prongs are lined up with the holes so we can seat it properly. Go ahead and reinstall your 2 10mm bolts. Reinstall your 10mm bolt. Next, reinstall your 7mm bolt. Reinstall your grille. Make sure all the clips lined up. Reinstall your 4 10mm bolts. After that, reinstall your radiator shaft. Make sure all the holes line up. Reinstall your push pins. Go ahead and close your hood.